Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm going to talk today about grooming and taking care of your heucheras and what to do when you trim back the blooming spikes of your heucheras, because it's a really cool thing you could do with them. So first of all, as I start to prune off these tall spikes here, I want to remind you that heucheras are grown for their foliage. They got this amazing textural and colorful leaves. They come in deep purple, they come in rust, they come in red, they even come in yellow colors. And they're great because heucheras are perennials that stay low, so they're great to put along pathways, like right here I have it along my front driveway. And after they send up these blooming spikes, you don't have to cut them off. I like to cut them off because then the plant puts more energy into nice foliage. But I also like to cut them off because I like the neat and tidy look once they're done blooming. But these seed heads are very textural and fluffy looking, and they will dry and last quite a long time outdoors. So what I do is I cut them back and I get a nice big bouquet. See, doesn't that look cool? Looks like it's an ornamental grass or something. And then what I do, I will go ahead and recut the stems right before I place them in a nice, I use plastic cups that I'm recycling, but any container, and then I'll hide these inside a larger basket and use them as part of my display at my front door. So what I've started enjoying doing is I have a basket that hangs on the wall near my front door, and I will fill this with plants that dry or that can take the outdoors and last for a long time. Hydrangeas are a favorite, or any plant that that will dry like this, and then it makes a great display as well as keeping my heucheras nice and tidy by removing the spent blooms. So this has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.